Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marian and today I will tell you why, in my opinion, trading on binary options is a good way to make money online, as well as tell you about the geometric progression in earning on binary options. And also I will trade today from like $30 with good combination of indicators. So it's good old Keltner channel and the same good old stochastic oscillator. Let's see, right now I'm dealing with this first currency pair with 81% of payout. As you see today, I'm having again pretty cool currency pairs with a good percentage of payout. And we are working with the not rapid downfall of the price. And yes, as you see, it is pretty volatile. The waves are very big, and right now we are working with these little waves in our current situation in the last hour. Let's have a moment right now here. I think so $30 in my investment box, and I will check the situation with call option. So yeah guys, that was a really sweetie moment, but anyway, here we are with $50 already, and as you see, the situation is narrowing, and if we look at the Keltner channel corridor right now, the upper line is trying to go like up, but I think it will not long last. Also, stochastic oscillator, when the trade was going in, was showing me that the green line is confidently going up. But right now, as you see, it is changed in direction, and I think there will be an intersection between the final line. Let's leave it for some time and go to the next currency pair. Binary options trading can seem like an attractive way to make money online because of its simplicity and affordability. If I tell you that now I'm giving you your first rewards from trading, it's $1,000. Will you follow my steps? I believe that you will do. So now, please keep your attention because the source I'm sharing with you is actually a key for your reward. I'm sharing with you the real-time trading signals on my Telegram channel, so all of you can gain this $1,000 just in a few hours of trading and a few clicks. Trades which I'm sharing give up to 9% of profit, so with even $100 you can gain your $1,000 easily. Remember, who doesn't try never gets. So don't waste this opportunity. Follow my Telegram channel, link you will find in the description, and see you there. The main advantages for binary options and trading include ease of participation, so you do not need to have a high level of financial expertise or experience in the financial markets to start trading binary options. So virtually anyone can start trading binary options with minimal investment. If you work with Quotex, you only need $10 to start with your journey, or maybe if you want to learn something, you can go to the demo version of it and have a moment right over here. And if you want to have some information, useful strategies and free signals, you can go to my Telegram channel where I will share all of them with you. So let's have a moment right over here, the downfall of the price again, but again, we are working with kind of straightforward like sleepy situation. Let's have a moment. So $54 in my investment box, and I will check the situation with call option. So guys, I'm in the profit again, and what I can say right over here. I saw before the trade that the corridor of Keltner channel is narrowing, especially the bottom line of the corridor was trying to go up. And you saw that lines crashed the level of 30. If you look at stochastic oscillator, and after this angle, the green line went straight forward, trying to go up again. But as you see here, bears are working really hard right now. Thanks to, of course, my 1 minute time expiration. was just in time in this kind of moment, because yes, again, you see bulls are working also really hard, but bears are better right in this moment. So let's have a moment in the next currency pair, of course. So the next point of the main advantages of binary options will be fast results. In the binary options market, you can see the results of your trade in just a few minutes or hours. Unlike trading in traditional financial markets where results can take longer, that's because I am showing you different kind of strategies and combinations for 1 minute or 30 seconds. The next point will be opportunity for high profits. Trading in binary options can provide the opportunity for high percentage profits with the right strategy and market analysis. However, it should be remembered that high returns are always accompanied by high risks. That's because every time before your session you need to learn to analyze the whole situation. All currency pairs that you will use, first of all, and also set good indicators that will provide you good results. So we are working with the rising of the price right now. In the last hour, we see that the trend was about the Kelvin channel corridor, but right now I think the situation is trying to go back. What I can say, let's have a moment right over here with our new investment. $95 will be here. Let's have a moment with call option. So yes, guys, you see it was also risky, dangerous situation where we can trade, but I'm really thankful that we have our profit. You see that when the trade was going, the green line was trying to go to make the intersection between the red line, but as you can see, when the trend is over, things continue to go down. So anyway, we was working with this. Developing candlestick that provide us good entry point with call option. Yeah, so like kind of a really risky situation. Not really recommend, but anyway, I'm really happy that I made it. Let's have a moment in the next currency pair, I think, and from the first side we are seeing that the trend is in the corridor of Kelvin channel. We need to be aware about this kind of fact. Let's see, the corridor is like trying to widen up, but I don't really think that it will be successful enough. Stochastic oscillator is showing us that there was an intersection between the lines, and what can I say? Let's see what it will be with our new investment. So it's $175, and I will check the situation with put option. So hey guys, I was just tried with my put option, and I was just working with this candlestick. As you see, we are working with the downfall of the price. Right now I think it will still going down, assuming stochastic oscillator and Kelvin channel combination, because the corridor is showing me that yes, the trend is in the bottom line of the corridor. It is having really weak power to go up right now. And also two lines of stochastic oscillator are still in the oversold area. So let's have the moment in the next currency pair. I will highlight some points about geometric progression in binary options. Geometric progression in binary options trading reflect the strategy of increasing the size of the investment like after each successful trade. Unlike arithmetic progression, where the size of the investment remains constant, in geometric progression, the size of the investment increases according to a certain multiplier after each profitable trade. For example, if your initial deposit is $100 and you use geometric progression with a multiplier of 2, you double your investment after each successful trade. Then after the first profitable trade you invest $200 after the second successful trade, $4,000, and so on. Okay, so as you see, we're working the same way. I'm trying to work and yes, I'm trying to work, and you see that it's really profitable. Really profitable, first of all. And you have your money constantly with no pause. And yes, but before that, you need to read all your risks. Consider all details and signals from combination of indicators, and of course your history of your graphic. And right now the history is telling me that we are working like with a downfall of the price after this reverse of the price with these two candlesticks. That's because we are having this peak. Let's have a moment in our current situation. So I will change my investment box to $335, and I will check the situation with collapse. So as you see, I'm again here with my cool profit, and yes, you see my first $1,000 in my pocket already. I'm really happy that it worked out for now, because as you see, it was pretty risky situation. After I saw this intersection in stochastic oscillator, I saw that the green line is under the red one. But Keltner's channel was telling me that the situation will go after like few minutes up, because the trend is on the upper line of the corridor. And when the trade was going, I saw the next intersection and it was 1% sure that I will have my good profit right over here. So yes, you need to consider all your signals. Choose the right one, like have your money. Let's have a moment in the next currency pair, of course, with 80% of payout, but it's not so working for now. Let's delete it. And we are in the so-called second currency pair. Let's have a moment right over here. So yes, I remember this kind of situation, downfall of the price, but now we are working with little waves. The situation started to be really narrow, so the candlesticks are pretty short. Anyway, what I can see right over here, like the stochastic oscillator showed me that the lines in the middle of the corridor still they're trying to make an intersection, but I think this intersection is not giving so much information. So let's give it some time and go to the next currency pair that is also not working. Let's delete it and go to the next one. Okay, let's see. We are here with the still downfall of the price, not really rapid, but what I can say, we have what we have. Let's have a moment right over here with the $1,200, and I will check the situation with collapse. yes guys, again, pretty simple, clear situation. Right over here on our rise just happened because I saw that the Keltner channel corridor showed me that the bottom line is trying to go up. And when the trade was going, I saw that the upper line also is trying to go down. That's because I can assume that the corridor is closing. It is trying to narrow and catch the trend. Also, as you see, stochastic oscillator was showing me that the line is above the red one, and I tried to go up, and right now we are dealing with this kind of picture, and yes, you see both are working really hard. Let's have a moment in the next currency pair, I think, and what I can say right over here, let's see, I will go with $2,000 dollars already. It's $2,200 already. So let's see one more time the whole history. Well, picture, I will consider all signals and hints from the graphic, combination of indicators, and what I can say, let's have a moment right over here with call option. So guys, yes, I'm having $4,000 or even more. However, it is important, as you see, to remember that binary options trading is also involves a high level of risks and loss, especially for beginners who lack the necessary education and experience. So it is advisable to educate yourself and conduct a thorough market analysis before getting involved in binary options trading. So, and if you want to know more, of course, you can go to my Telegram channel where I will share this useful information, and I will share my own free signals. So please tell me in the comments below that you liked or not this type of video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. So we will meet in another video. Bye.